Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yeah, I'll not take much of your time today. I guess we all know about Satya sir now because we have learned French language from him. Now it's the time to learn German language. He's so much dedicated that he knows too many languages.
Okay, now I'm residing in Hyderabad. Okay, I I am a teacher. Professionally, I am a teacher, interpreter, translator. So now I work for German Academy. I have to make people to pass the examination B2 and send to Germany. They will study their nursing course and also PhD they will do. Okay. So what is the need of foreign language? Any language, French or German, Russian or Korean, Italian, I did all these languages. What is the need? So if you want to make a career in foreign languages, any language, French or German or Korean, by heart you have to study. Mm. So at 11 o'clock, we started one session for the French language. Now we'll start for from beginning. I told you that all the languages, European languages, are like our Indian languages, like Sanskrit or Hindi, whatever maybe, whatever. Grammatically like our Indian language, not like English. Script is Raman, but grammatically like our Indian. Okay. So if you know any one of them languages means like Hindi or Sanskrit or Telugu, Tamil, Bengali, Odia, you can easily can learn this language. Hmm. I'll share the screen. German language absolutely like Sanskrit or Hindi because we in Sanskrit we have three genders: masculine, feminine, neuter gender. We think that man is masculine and woman is feminine in English. No, is it? But in Hindi, suppose my house, we say mera ghar, no? My pen, we say meri kalam. Like the same, they have like mine, 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 mine. Grammatically like Indian languages, not like English. How it is, I'll explain. Things we learn, then how greetings, then how the alphabet is. Varnamala, the alphabet. First, I'll tell you. First rule, first day. German language rule, first day. First rule is beginning of the sentence. It is capital letter, and nouns are in capital. Nouns may be proper noun, may be collective noun, may be any noun. All the nouns are capital. See here, Guten Morgen. Begrüßungen means greetings. Begrüßungen. Heading this is I wrote Begrüßungen means greetings. How to greet? Namaste, namaskar, no? We say Suprabhatam, like this. Guten Morgen here. G is capital because it is beginning of the sentence. M is capital, M is a noun. So Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen means good morning. So M is capital letter. Then Guten Tag means good afternoon or good day. T is capital. Guten Abend, good evening. So this is A is capital letter, G is beginning of the sentence is capital letter. But good night is feminine gender in German. So it is Gute Nacht, not Guten. You see, Morgen is masculine. Tag, when you learn that time, I'll teach. Suppose when people they learn article and genders, how to identify masculine, feminine, or neuter gender, that time I explain them. Why Morgen is masculine, Nacht is feminine. So Morgen is masculine, Tag is masculine, Abend is masculine. So it is Guten Abend, Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend. But Nacht is feminine in German language. So it is Gute Nacht. N is not there. Carefully you see. Gute Nacht means good night. And Guten Abend is good evening. Then we get S in a capital and small. There is a meaning difference between capital letter and small letter. See, we get S in an I capital. So we get S in an means how are you? Formal. आप कैसे हैं? Okay, we get S in an. We get as diya means tum kaise ho? Informal, how are you? We gets, it's very informal, how are you, but very close in your family. Prime, we can't greet our prime minister. We gets. If you say we gets, prime minister will hang you. Means kaisa hai re in Hindi. So we get as Indian is very formal. Hmm. We get as Dia is your juniors. We gets is very close and informal. How are you? All are how are you? Hmm. Then how to reply that? So danke, good. Thank you. I am fine. So you how to greet? Danke, good. Thank you. I am fine. Es get Mia good. Mia, not me. Es get Mia good means I am fine also. Prima means excellent. Es get means also I am fine, but very informal. Okay. We get as in and we get as there, we gets. So all the answers are danke good, you can say. Es get mir good, you can say. Also prima, you can say. And if it is very informal, you can say es get. That also I am fine. Hmm. Then we hyphen z. S is capital. We hyphen z means how are you called means what is your name? आपके formal. आपका नाम क्या है? Z is capital means आप. Hmm. We heist do informal what is your name but informal तुम्हारा नाम तेरा नाम तुम्हारा नाम. Okay. Ish I say and then your name you have to tell. I am called actually. Ish I say and your name. Okay. We heist z. We heist do. Ish I say and your name. The German structure. Then English borrowed structure they also follow. We is your name I capital. N capital is capital noun. We is your nama means if you translate that is what is how is your name? Europeans they use all. What is your name? Formal synonyms of we hyphen z is we is your nama. Formal. What is your name? But formal. We is thine nama. What is your name? But informal. First wala formal, second wala informal. Mine nama, N capital. My nama is means my name is and your name. You have to tell. Mine nama is your name. Okay. These greetings and after that you will face problem because you have to know the pronunciation. No, how it is ka or ja or sha like. Okay. And this is how to say danke schön means thank you. Thanks a lot. Vielen Dank also. Thanks a lot. Auf Wiedersehen. By person, if you are telling goodbye, you have to say Auf Wiedersehen. W capital. Auf Wiederhören. Suppose we are talking now, no? Or we can't see on telephone. You have to say Auf Wiederhören, not Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Tschüss is very informal. Goodbye. Tschüss. Bis bald. Small letter B. See you soon. Bis später. Bis später. Umlaut. Bis morgen. See, here M is small letter. It is tomorrow. If it is capital, it is morning. It is small. If it is small, it is tomorrow. Bis morgen. Pronunciation same, but spelling different. Meaning is different. See you tomorrow. So someone I asked this what it. So this is the alphabet. After these greetings, we learn which is das capital. Das alphabet. In German language, 13, 26 plus 4 letters extra. But they don't say ABCD. They say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, A, U, V, W, X, Epsilon, Z. Set. Then A umlaut, 2 dots. That name of the letter, not pronunciation. Name of the letter is A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut, S set. Again I'll pronounce. I'll read what is the name of the letter. A, be, say, de, a, f, ge, ha, e, yot, ka, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, s, a, u, v, v, x, epsilon, z, a umlaut, o umlaut, u umlaut, and etc. These are the name of the then vowel you will start. The vocale. Why here das alphabet? Because it is neuter gender in German. Why here the vocale? It is plural. For masculine, you learn. They are for neuter gender thus. For feminine and plural, the. You learn only at that time only you learn the article, definite article that time only. The vocale means the vowels. Okay. How the vowels. So first is A. America. It is long sound, not America. America. Long sound. Nak. It is short sound. Okay. Both. A has two sounds. Long sound, short sound. America. Spelling is different. You see, America. America. Nak. Okay. And A umlaut is pronounced as A. In Telugu, they have that second A. So it is Ergern. Ergern. Mers. Mers. Not Mars. Mers. A umlaut always A. No change. Mers. Ergern. 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 Mers. Then you see Apfel. Apfel. Effel. Apfel. Effel. Apfel means singular. If you Effel pronounce plural. Apples. Then you come to A. In German it is A. In English it is E. Elegant. Elephant. So E, if it is final ending, so it may be Maha, maybe A or A also. Maka or Maki. Both are correct. And I is always E. Indian. Indian. Ia. Ia. Indian. E. O. O is, it is beginning, it is always O. Like uncle. Uncle. But second bala, Nak. Narendra Modi, no? Nak. Namita, no? Nak. Nak. And O umlaut is EO. Tongue थोड़ा scroll करना पड़ता है. You have to scroll your tongue. Myosten. Myosten. Yogi, no? Myosten. O, Yo. Simple wala O is O. Umlaut wala is Yo. Myosten. 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 Yokonomi. 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 Okay. It is Yo. Then simple wala this is U is U. Unterricht. Unterricht. Gut. Mutter. Unterricht. Gut. Mutter. Umlaut is U. Umlaut wala U is U. Uber. Uber, not taxi. Uber. Ubung. Ubung. And this is important letter. If it is German letter, you have to pronounce Ya. Ya, Ya, E, whatever. The borrowed word, suppose job, you can't pronounce Yab. It is job. As it is. Okay. Ya, job. Okay. And this is important. I, Y3, R, E. Like mitten, Ya, mythology. E. Three things are E. So mitten, Ya, mythology. But one, I heard this letter, it is not Zurian. That is Zurian. They pronounce German people. Because Russia and Zurian fight Syria. Zurian. Germans, they read Zurian. 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 Exception I wrote. And EI is always I. Anke, I. Like mine, thine, thine, thine. These are examples. Okay. Meaning you have to find. EI always I. No change. Mine, thine, thine, thine. Just with example. And EU and umlaut wala A and U. Both are OA. O A. O A. Deutschland. Deutschland. OA, huh? Deutschland. Euro, euro. No, we pronounce euro, but for Germans, they say euro, Europa, Fräulein, Fräulein. Then A and U, Frau, Frau. Okay, Frau. Do the pronouns again? The vocale? Yes. America, Nack, Ergern, Mers, Apple, Eiffel, Elegant, Maha, Indian, Ya, Onkel, Nak, Miosten. Umlaut wala is important. Yo, O, yo. Economy, U, you, like this. O, yo, U, you. No, Unterricht, Yuba, Yubum. And this is Ya and the job. This is, and this is 3. E, Mitten, Ya, mythology, Zurian. This is exception. EI is I, okay? Mine, thine, kind, thine. EU and umlaut wala A and U, both are same. OA, OA, O, A. Deutschland, Europa, Euro, Fräulein. And this is final, Frau. Okay? Frau, Frau. And then consonants. So how? B is ba, beginning, or between in the between of the word it is just ba, ba, bu, ba, whatever. But ending it is soft, like Jakob. You can't say Jakob, 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 Jakob. Soft sound. Okay. And C is important. This is Shemi, Shemi. Sometimes Sha, sometimes Ko, sometimes Cha. Character. पढ़ते होगी reading practice. Character. Computer is computer, not Mansmal. Mansmal. Machen. Okay, D. Danke. Same like it. But if ending, it is not hundo, hunto, hunto. Ta sound. Ending D is ta sound. Okay? Hund. Fa is like English. Frau. Example. G is go. Gegen. Gigant. Tak. No, they don't say tag. Tak. German people, they pronounce tak. Tak. Ko sound. Ending G is ko sound. Okay. And hand. H is ha, ha, hu, whatever. K, koka, kuka, whatever, like English. And kuli. Kuli, huh? Lampa. Lampa. Mutar. Mine. Nine. Knock. 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 E. Like papa, guys. Same papa, pupa, whatever. Same like English. Qualitate. This is. A umlaut is yes. So qualitate. Rat. Same like English. No change. Ratten. S is important. Okay. If after S there is vowel, so you have to pronounce za, whatever. Z sound. Zoo park. Z. So Zagen, Zorgen, Ziben, Zait, Zaite. Okay. And ending S, that beta wala is always sa. Beta wala always sa. Set wala. Heis. Heis. And this is important. SP is not spa. It is spa. Pushpalatana. Spielen. 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 Sha sound must come like Bengali. Spielen. Spielen. And ST is sta. Studieren. Student. Not student. Sha. Student. And then T is like same English. Tun. Tun. This B is important. If it is German language, word, German word, it is for sound, like feel, Volkswagen, no? Volkswagen. If it borrowed word from it, Latin or something, English other language, you can't say vegetarian, it is vegetarian, same, mixed vegetarian, vegetarian, non-vegetarian. Vivekanand, you can't pronounce Vivekanand, because it is from another language, not our Indian language. So Vivekanand is Vivekanand. Only German words for sound. Okay, feel, Volkswagen, because Volkswagen is German word, people's car, it will translate. W is V sound always, wagen, wagon, wagen, wagon, V sound. And X, only 2-3 words you will get xylophone, xylophone in English, it is German phrase, xylophone. Okay, S is after vowel Zeit. I gave you these examples. Okay, Zeit. And this is sight. Important. Z is sa, S is sa. Not always. After S, if there is vowel, you have to pronounce Z sound. And Z always saw sound. So sight, sight, sight. And zoo you have to put zoo because zoo is English word. Zoom also zoom. But German words starting with anywhere Z, so that is pronounced as sa. Okay, sight. But zoo, zoom, not German word. And this is ZU, su, 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 no? Tsunamika, su. Tsunamika, su. And SCH is sha. Schreiben, 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 no? SCH is sha. And this is important. TSCH, four letters मिलके क्या हुआ? च. चंदन, no? च. Deutschland, Deutschland, four letters, च. Chandan, chammach, no? Chun chun, no? Deutschland. Tion, Sion. They pronounce Sion. Nation, Nation. Then T, D and T. If D and after D, T is coming, T is pronounced, D is silent. Start. Start out you can't read. Start. D is silent. So these are the examples I gave my students. Tradition, Zeit, Morgan, Beispiel, and how to read after this. Okay. Vowel consonants are over. After this, we start the book. Which book we have to follow? I'll close this. Okay. So we start studio book or Berlin or Plus. Studio book is better than Berlin or Plus. Okay. Can you see, please? This is A1 studio book in German. So, how to start this book? From page number, this is page number, page number 10 as per the book, 10 as per PDF 13. How to, and that audio file. Audio file, what is that? Track number, audio CD1 and track number 4. It is written left side, you see. Okay. After this, we read and play. Guten Tag, ich bin Frau Schiller. Ich bin Ihre Deutschlehrerin. Wie ist Ihr Name? Hello, mein, introducing, na? Hello, mein Name ist Cemgül. Cemgül is another name. Und woher kommen Sie? Aus der Türkei. Wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße Lina Borisova. Ich komme aus Russland. ICH is ich. Und wie heißen Sie? Mein Name ist Ana Sanchez. Ich komme aus Chile. Und Sie? Ich bin Alpia Fedorova aus Kasachstan. Und wer ist das? Das ist Ertan. Kommt aus China. After the, with this book, we start. This is audio file from 4th track. Track number 4. But from my side, you can't listen, no? Is it? Model charts. The institute. This is the model paper. How to qualify this examination? It is listening is 20 minutes. Okay. Yes, can you see here? 20 minutes. This is what is first. This is for 2 times they will play, and options they will give you multiple choice. You have to find out. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. 2 times they will play, and then multiple choice. And then after this, it is for only once. Can you see einmal? Einmal means once they will play, and 7, 8, 9, 4 questions. They'll give you true or false. You have to cross. Okay, see this how to make the cross. Cross must be inside, not outside. Okay, should not. This is also 2 times 11 to 14. 2 times they'll be multiple choice. Okay, easy. This is listening. And after that, this is lesen schreiben. Lesen means reading. Like same like that alliance pronoun. They will give you one mail, like this letter or mail, and then they will give you question. It is true or false. Hmm. And then this is also one, and true or false. Like this. And this is sixth wala. They will give you, suppose you want to learn language. Two advertisements. One is about traveling Germany, one is about language institute. So which option you have to cross? 7, 8, 9, 10. They will give question options. They will give. And 11 to 12, that same thing. One article they will give you, and then you have to choose true or false. Rest is or false. And this is one biodata. They will give you 5 questions. They will ask. One biodata in German language. This is the biodata of a person, and then 5 questions. Fill in the blank application form. And this is one mail. Okay, 10 marks. You have to write in 30 to 40 words. And they will give you information, 3 steps. Jimmy Austin in August Dayton Bezuken, you want to go in August, you want to visit Dresden. Tourist information center, you have to write why you are writing. 3 steps they will give you. Okay, it is written. After this, they will start expression. Expression means to speak. So first is your introduction. Name, your age, your origin, your living place, your language, profession, hobby. Like this process, you must speak. 5 sentences, 7, 6 sentences. Then with your partner, they will give you cards. You have to make questions and ask. Suppose Frühstück. Frühstück means breakfast. So how you will ask question your partner? At what time you have your breakfast? What you eat for your breakfast? No, 2, 3 questions. This is the model paper. Until dry means this is part 3. You have to suppose book. Please give me your book. Please, bala request you have to. So another your means partner will say, please take this bit name, and you have to say thank you. He and that person has to say, don't mention. 4 sentences only. Bitte geben Sie mir das Buch. You will say, bitte nehmen Sie, danke. Or vielen Dank, you will say, bitte. That's all. This is the apart from this, we practice fit in Deutsch. And start in Deutsch for you means more than 15 years old people. Another examination is for fit in Deutsch below for you like people. But this is fit in Deutsch for below 15 years old people. Children. Age limit is there. So they have, you have 15 questions. They have 12 questions for listening. For reading also means text. See, 12 questions, listening. True and false only. Only true and false. And they have also 1 to 6 multiple choice. It is for children. And then your text they and letter writing they have to write. They will give you what is sort difficult. Same 12 questions. This is reading. Text they will give you. You have to comprehension. You have to reply the question, answer the questions. And schreiben is 20 minutes. One letter or mail they will give. You have to reply only for them. Fit in Deutsch for children. And then expression means they will say introduce yourself, that one in German language, and one thema they will say. Thema means 2, 3 sentences. Okay, this is for children. And apart from this, what are the books we follow? This is important. Fit in Deutsch. Where is Prüfung training? Practice books. Prüfung training. Okay, can you see? Yes. These are the books we practice. Prüfung training means examination training. Start in Deutsch. Same model paper. full model papers only. Listening, reading, writing, everything. Okay. This is we have to practice audio file and all this. Apart from this, we also follow this is Berliner Platz. Many books I'll show you. Berliner Platz. Can you see Berliner Platz? Yes. Yes, Berliner Platz. No, this is also good book. We follow it. This is for you people, and for children also we follow different books. This is you have to listen and write. See, everywhere listening. Hello, no, they say hello. This is, and here is 1.2 means audio track, audio file 1 and track number 2. Your NG and the ergänzende Kurzliste. You have to listen and the person and profession, everything you have to write. This is also which picture first, dialogue 1, dialogue 2, you have to arrange. This is this book also we follow. Berliner Platz 1, Berliner Platz 2, like A2, 2, A. And in doubt, you can ask so many books. Das Neue Deutsch, Arbeit book also follow. This is. This is yes, A1, A2, this is A2. For children, this is. Das Neue Deutsch Mobile, it is for children. Exercise book, this is. And for grammar. This is also for children, small book. And then the German practice, grammar practice, test, German test. Deutsch. Why so slow? Okay. Okay, yeah, can you see? This is masculine. Can you see? Masculine singular, neuter singular plural, feminine plural singular plural. Practice this is. Fill in the blanks. You have to do. This is present tense, past tense, verb conjugation. Apart from this, we follow up to B2 level. One big book, grammar book, M Grammatic. Can you see M Grammatic? Where is M Grammatic? This is up to B2 level. This is 250 pages. This book is very good book till B2. This book you will practice. This is the book for grammar. Again, I'll tell you after this what to do. Guten Morgen file. Grammar, whatever we have to complete. Where it is? This is grammar, no? Alphabet, after vocale, the vowels, consonants. After this vowel, consonants, words you have to read, and then personal, not personal pronoun. After this, you have to read the days and the months. Yes, this is the Wochentage, days and months, means weekdays. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonnabend, Sonntag. Weekdays. This is the Monate, months, the months. Januar, February, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, December. This is Jahreszeit means seasons. Sommer, winter, Frühling, Herbst, Regen. Okay. After this, we learn that is your relative. Vater, Mutter, Bruder, Schwester. These are letter writings. Male writing. Format. This is your relative. Vater, Mutter, Sohn, Tochter, Bruder, Schwester. Vetter or cousin, 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 cousina, Eltern, Schwiegervater, Schwiegermutter, Schwager, Schwägerin, Schwiegereltern, Nichte, Neffe, Onkel, Tante, Braut, Bräutigam, Umlaut and EU, Enkel, Enkelin, Enkelkinder, Großvater, Großmutter, Großeltern, Mann, Frau. And these are Schwiegervater. You have to learn. And this is the letter writing means male writing nowadays format how to write and model. Some example. This is how to write the letter, formal letter, informal letter.